Look no further than the 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle still has fewer than 100,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The advanced safety features, passenger-friendly cabin, generous cargo space, and connected technology of the Equinox help you navigate every twist and turn of the road with confidence and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, remote engine start, satellite radio, fog lamps, power liftgate, backup camera, keyless start, multi-zone AC, blind spot monitor. Practical and functional meets stylish and comfortable in the Equinox. Take a test drive today.